Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Ghosia Ali here, founder CEO at Ghosia Ali Educational Academy. Today I am presenting the presentation of my idea Ghosia Ali Educational Academy. The main purpose of Ghosia Ali Educational Academy is serve the nation by serving education. In this, we provided different courses such as graphic designing, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, YouTube series, Fiverr, freelancing, video editing, MS Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, game development, Flutter, Fiverr hands-on internship also provided, and content writing course, etc. provided by our platforms, and many of the students get enrolled and get benefits from these courses, as well as we will provide weekly quizzes and assignments, and at the end of completion of courses Ghosia Educational Academy provides mark sheet and certificates to all registered participants, and those students got first, second and third position from their respective batch. We will give also organized weekly webinars on different educational topics, such as under the experienced trainers, such as recently Ghosia Educational Academy organizes some webinars with the topic of the art of online scientific literature searching, Fiverr, Adobe Dimension, Flutter, prostate cancer awareness. Webinar groups 1,000 plus members, screenshot sharing with screen. I hope you would like my idea and promote us. Thanks. If you have any question, then you may please ask. Allah Hafiz.